Episode 8 of Dynamite Kiss starts with Inei and Jihyuk heading to the restaurant to meet with Hyang's family. Inei shares her concerns about failing Jihyuk as a mom. He acts like everything is fine, and he is thrilled about his nuptials with Hyang. However, when his mom asks about their dating history, he becomes evasive. At the lunch meeting, Jihyuk suddenly announces that he and Hyang are getting married as soon as possible. The announcement catches Hyang by surprise, but she doesn't get a chance to clarify. The elders jump in to start planning, advising Jihyuk not to skip the engagement party. Hyang's dad suggests they move the engagement party to the following week since Jihyuk is in a hurry to get married. Later, Hyang privately talks to Jihyuk, refusing to marry him. He dares her to come clean to her parents and get locked up until the engagement party. Scared, Hyang backs down. After the meeting, Chungho scolds Inei for acting flustered during the meeting. He reveals that Jihyuk is only working at the company and marrying Hyang to secure her divorce from him. Inei is heartbroken to learn that Jihyuk is sacrificing his happiness for her. Elsewhere, Taeyang and Jihae meet. This time, Taeyang wants to join forces to help Jihae ruin Jihyuk's chance of taking over Natural Babe. However, Jihae is not desperate enough to work with him. Still, she is pissed that Jihyuk has a real chance of taking everything from her. The next morning, Darim is too distracted thinking about Jihyuk's harsh words. She ends up tripping on her way to work and ruining her heels. At the office, news of Jihyuk's engagements becomes the hottest gossip. Although it hurts, Darim chooses to act professionally and keep her distance from Jihyuk. This proves to be hard when she gets injured in the tea room, and he quickly runs to her aid. He scolds her for being clumsy and always getting hurt. His words truly hurt her, but she ignores them. Simultaneously, Jihae is also having a hard time with Jihyuk's engagement news. The staff are already speculating about Jihyuk taking over as the legal heir. She is also pissed to discover that Chunggu didn't get any evidence pointing to Jihyuk and Darim's illicit affair. She orders her little minion to get creative and find a way. Chunggu comes up with a marketing campaign to help a couple who just had quadruplets. He convinces Jihyuk that he needs to come as the team leader and represent his group. He lies that he and another marketing staff member will join Jihyuk on the trip. Of course, Jihyuk agrees, not knowing what Chunggu is planning. That evening, on her way home, Darim trips on her ruined heel and misses the bus. Tired of everything and remembering Jihyuk's harsh words, she starts crying by herself on the streets. Meanwhile, Hyang comes clean to her mom about liking someone else. Myoki asks her to get it together and forget the other man. The next day, Jihyuk is surprised when Darim shows up on the boat with Chunggu. The latter lies that his team member got sick and Darim was a last-minute replacement. During the boat ride, Jihyuk avoids Darim, even as he recalls their time together on the boat in Jeju. The trip gets even more awkward when Chunggu takes the new parents out, leaving Jihyuk and Darim to take care of the quadruplets. Jihyuk tries to leave, but Chunggu insists that he can't hand over his responsibilities to him. Thankfully, Jihyuk and Darim watch over the babies without a hitch. In the evening, Chunggu intentionally delays the parents, so Jihyuk and Darim miss the last boat. He also conspires with the only hotel owner in town to make Jihyuk and Darim share a room. He remains hidden nearby, taking photographs of the two. In the room, Jihyuk spots a spider. Since he is scared of bugs, he hides behind Darim. After what seems like an eternity, Darim finally catches the spider and sets it free outside. Chunggu eavesdrops and assumes they are having sex due to the commotion. After showering, Ji-hyuk and Darim prepare their bedding and try to sleep. Unfortunately, Ji-hyuk is unable to. He spends most of the time staring at Darim. Ultimately, it gets too much for him, and he goes for a midnight run. After returning to Seoul, Ji-hyuk visits Inee. She challenges him to reconsider his marriage to Hyang. She wants him to marry out of love, not duty. Unfortunately, Ji-hyuk is hell-bent on marrying Hyang to end her affair with Seonyu. He later meets Hyang and Myoke at the wedding shop to choose her engagement gown. Myoke uses this opportunity to advise Ji-hyuk to ignore Hyang's tantrums. Once Hyang appears in her gown, Ji-hyuk pictures Darim wearing the dress. Myoke assumes Ji-hyuk is distracted by Hyang's beauty. Hyang lies after the fitting, claiming she is leaving to have dinner with Ji-hyuk. Later, Myoke calls Ji-hyuk and asks to speak to Hyang. Ji-hyuk covers for her, but he realizes she must be with Seonyu. It turns out he is right. Hyang is with Seonyu, complaining about how his lie is ruining her life. She asks him to take responsibility and forces him to comfort her. As they talk, Ji-hyuk arrives and punches Seonyu. Hyang is on the brink of coming clean to help Seonyu, but he stops her. He asks to speak privately with Ji-hyuk and apologizes. He insists that Hyang was a mistake, and he loves Darim. He promises that the misunderstanding won't happen again. Ji-hyuk vows to kill him if he finds him with Hyang again. Before Ji-hyuk leaves, Seonyu asks him the real reason he is acting out. Of course, Ji-hyuk doesn't answer the question. Upon returning home, Seonyu finds Darim waiting for him. She already put June to bed at her place. Noticing his wound, she gives him first aid. Instead of telling her the truth, Seonyu lies that he absent-mindedly hit a pole. As she tends to his wound, he considers confessing his feelings for her. He hesitates too much, causing Darim to ask him to hurry. He changes his mind and wishes her a good night. The following day at the office, Chungu shows Ji-hye the pictures he took from the trip. They are not convincing enough, but I guess they will have to do. Meanwhile, Jae-young-min worries that Ji-hyuk looks unhappy as his engagement party approaches. That night, Ji-hyuk visits Darim's place and sees her happily spending time with Seonyu and June. Frustrated, he goes on a drinking spree, and Jae-young-min joins him. The two head to a karaoke bar. As Ji-hyuk sings a love song, he thinks of Darim and starts crying. Sadly, Jae-young-min doesn't notice, as he has already fallen asleep on the sofa. On the engagement day, Ji-hyuk is conflicted as he sees Darim arrive. He turns to see Seonyu approaching with June in his arms. June calls out to Darim, calling her auntie. Suddenly, Ji-hyuk begins to question everything.